At the smallest scale imaginable, something impossible was about to happen. In a dim laboratory in Manchester in 1911, scientists fired invisible bullets at gold, expecting them to pass straight through. Instead, some came screaming back. The room smelled faintly of metal and oil. A thin sheet of gold foil, hammered so fine it was almost unreal, hung delicately in the path of a beam no human eye could see. Ernest Rutherford wasn't looking for revolution. He was testing a simple idea, that atoms were soft, diffuse clouds, plum pudding sprinkled with charge. The logic was comforting, predictable, safe. Alpha particles, tiny, fast, and heavy, were launched toward the foil. Most passed through exactly as expected. Rutherford's students dutifully recorded the results. Everything made sense until it didn't. A few particles deflected, just slightly at first, an oddity, a shrug. Then one did something no one was prepared for. It bounced back. Not slowed, not absorbed, but violently repelled, nearly straight toward the source as if it had struck something solid, something dense, something impossibly small. Rutherford froze. Later he would say it was like firing a cannonball at tissue paper and watching it ricochet. That single observation cracked open reality. Atoms weren't gentle clouds. They weren't soft or uniform. They had centers, hard centers, massive centers. Nearly all the atom's mass was packed into a nucleus so tiny it defied intuition, surrounded by vast empty space. Suddenly, matter felt hollow. This was the moment physics took a sharp turn. If atoms were mostly nothing, then the world, your hands, your voice, the screen you're watching, was built on emptiness and force, not solidity. The rules everyone trusted no longer applied. And here was the twist. This wasn't discovered by smashing atoms apart. It was revealed by patience, by watching carefully, by noticing the one impossible event everyone else might have ignored. Rutherford didn't just uncover the nucleus. He shattered the illusion of simplicity. From this insight came the atomic age, nuclear physics, energy, medicine, weapons, power beyond imagination born from a flicker on a detector in a quiet room, one experiment, one unexpected rebound. And humanity learned that the universe hides its truths in the smallest places, waiting for someone brave enough to question the obvious. If this story made you pause, wonder, or see the world differently, help this channel grow. Like, share, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What discovery do you think changed humanity the most?